Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome to Musab Roams, the ultimate travel channel where we dive into the fascinating stories of famous places around the world. I'm your host, Musab, and today we're in the heart of the United States, the vibrant city that never sleeps, New York, Times Square, the iconic crossroads. Our journey begins at the iconic Times Square, the bustling crossroads of the world. Imagine standing here amidst the towering skyscrapers, flashing billboards, and vibrant energy. It's an absolute sensory overload. Did you know that Times Square got its name from the New York Times? Back in 1904, the newspaper moved its headquarters to this area, and voila, Times Square was born. Today, it's a hub for entertainment, shopping, and endless excitement. One of the highlights of Times Square is the TKTS booth, where you can score discounted Broadway show tickets. Standing in line here is like being surrounded by a never-ending showcase of talent and creativity. Central Park, nature's paradise. Let's take a break from the concrete jungle and head to the oasis in the heart of Manhattan, Central Park. Can you believe that this 843-acre park was designed and built in the mid-19th century? Central Park offers a sense of tranquility amidst the chaos of the city. You can enjoy a leisurely stroll, have a picnic, or even rent a rowboat to explore the park's beautiful lake. Now, one of my favorite spots in Central Park is the Bethesda Terrace and Fountain. This iconic landmark has appeared in countless movies and is a popular gathering place for both locals and tourists alike. The Statue of Liberty, Lady Liberty's welcome. Our next stop is a symbol of freedom and hope, the Statue of Liberty. Standing tall on Liberty Island in the New York Harbor, this colossal statue was a gift from France to the United States. As you approach the statue, you can't help but feel a sense of awe. It's truly a sight to behold. Did you know that the statue's full name is Liberty Enlightening the World? It's a representation of enlightenment and democracy. Visitors can explore the museum located in the statue's pedestal and even climb up to the crown for a breathtaking view of the city skyline. Don't forget to snap a selfie with Lady Liberty. And there you have it, my fellow wanderers. A glimpse into some of New York's famous places. From the iconic Times Square to the scenic Central Park and the majestic Statue of Liberty, this city offers a world of experiences. Thanks for joining me on this walking tale through New York's famous places. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more